Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about a traffic strategy like that will work and how you can convert a conversation into a conversion. And when you don't have any money for a paid advertisement whatsoever, this method is going to help you guys. So please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin, and I'll be making videos on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, how to create sales funnel, email marketing, and traffic strategies. And if you're interested, please hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So what I did, like initially, like when I had no budget for Facebook ads or Google ads or whatsoever, so what I used to do is like the number one step is like I used to join Facebook groups that are legit, like not like there are, if you go ahead and search on Facebook like make money online, you get ton of Facebook groups, all are spammy. Like I have seen people like post something crappy on the Facebook group. You don't want to join such groups. Like you want to join a group that is very legit. Like you can get it by like join it and just see what kind of posts up someone is posting on that group on at least for a 5 days, and you will get to know like what kind of group is it. And once you join such groups, like what I used to do is like initially, like I used to message everybody, like whoever joins that group or who is already a member of this group. And if you send that link like, hey, I have this amazing offer, go ahead and buy it, so chances are like they may buy, but it's never going to happen because I have personally experienced it, and you might have also done it. But I'll just explain you like how you can convert that conversation into a conversion. Like what happens, like when you send a link without his permission, like you will be, once you send that link, you will be checking your affiliate dashboard whether that sale happened, whether he put out his credit card, everything happened. But it's not going to happen like that way. You need to do it the anti-sales way, like what my mentor says it always, and it works the best way, guys. And it is not that complicated. And what step number one is like you need to join such groups. And once you join that group, there will be people like who will be asking questions about anything. And you may now come up with a thing like, I'm a complete beginner, I don't have anything, like I can go ahead and help someone. No, it's never like that. And you don't have to be a 6-figure affiliate marketer in order to help somebody with affiliate marketing. In everybody's journey, like everybody wants to reach from a point A to point B. Like it could be they want to quit their job, they want to travel the world. It could be that dream, like why they are doing this. And everybody has to go through hurdles like in different levels, 1, 2, 3, in order to reach that point. Because you're already in this industry, and if you don't know any experience, start investing in yourself. If you go ahead and start learning Facebook ads, start learning Google ads, start learning how to build a website. These are very common things, like you can just YouTube, or you can get this help elsewhere. Start learning and start implementing. Once you have that experience in that journey from A to B, you have already crossed like some certain levels. And somebody who is starting at point A, like he will come and ask that question online. And what you need to do is, maybe somebody asked a question on how to build a landing page. Don't just write a one-liner. You actually genuinely mean that to help that person, and write a comment that will actually help him in order to build that landing page. It could not be step by step how to click and all, but it could give that idea to him, like, and he will see, oh, this guy is like provided so much value. They will come and appreciate you in the comment section as well. What you need to do is you can go ahead and send that friend request to him. I'll tell you why you need to send that friend request, because you need to hit that inbox once you start messaging that person. If you don't have if he's not your friend on Facebook, like if you just try to message him, it will go ahead and sit in his friend request, and he will never see that message again. So you need to send that friend request. Now if you randomly send friend request to other people, like they may not accept you, and because they don't know, and they have every right in the world to just delete that request, because you have provided so much value. So there are chances that this person has already helped me a lot, so I'm going to accept his friend request. And once you accept that friend request, you're going to send a message saying that you want to start a conversation not in the sales way, you need to in the anti-sales way. So how that can be is like, find out something in common. That could be like you both are in the same Facebook group, like which is related to affiliate marketing. So what you can say is like, hi, this is Sachin from India, and I saw you in the Facebook group and you had asked this question. I hope you got value from my comment. Let me know if you need more help, or if you are into something, we can discuss it. Let's connect. Something like just the initial conversation icebreaker. And once you do that, they're definitely because and they are going to respond, and you want to start that conversation. I'll tell you why you need to do this way, because everybody starts messaging. Even you have personally experienced it. Many people without you don't even know them, they start messaging you, and you get that kind of thing, like alarm in your mind, like he's gonna sell me something, because so many people are in the internet, like they're doing it the wrong way, and they're spammy, like people come and spam their link, like I don't like it. So when somebody messages me directly, like I will get that idea, and I will be very resistant in order to whatever you're offering, and no matter how valuable it is, I'll have that resistance in my mind. But if you do it this way, like answering him first and sending a friend request and asking for a conversation, not a sale, and what will happen, like he's gonna because in this mode you need to keep on listening, and once he start telling about his business, keep listening like what he's telling, and once he explains his business, and see how you can actually help him. It could be anything, like he may need a help with a simple thing, like how to connect ActiveCampaign with ClickFunnels. People will struggle with that, and you can just suggest some videos for him, or if you have any, you can just help him like step by step. And there are little technical things also people struggle with, or it could be with mindset, or it could be with a strategy. Many things are people struggle with, and you need to provide that solution. Once you provide that, the bond between you guys is like more, and he will actually think like you are helping, and actually you are helping, and you need to do that. And once that happens, maybe after 2 to 3 days, you can ask him for a, hey, can we connect over the call, or maybe you can ask him to join your Facebook group, where you will be providing more value, and that will actually help him in order to grow his business. And he will be amazed, like the kind of value you're providing. This man is crazy, like why he's giving me so much value for his valuable time for free for me. And that chemistry is just right. And you can ask him for a call, like let's connect, like I'm gonna discuss something, and he will jump on a call, because you are already built that relationship with him. And once you go over the call, like you can talk about, hey, I have been doing this. Maybe it's a product like you're promoting. Okay, I've been working on this project, like, and I'm making this, provides a recurring commission, a high ticket commissions, and it also has a training module and everything. This is what I'm doing. If you explain everything, and would you be interested, like you can just ask that sales pitch there, like not directly. Once you message somebody, you can't directly send that link to him, and it's never going to happen. Once you do that, it's not like a salesperson selling a product, it's like a friend recommending a product. All right, so there's a lot of difference between that. And if you do it this way, and once you recommend that product, its chances are very high that he's going to go ahead and check, and he's going to buy as well. That's why the conversion rates will be very high if you do it the right way. So I hope you got the idea with this video, like what you need to do in order to make more sales when you don't have any budget whatsoever, and do it the right way. Don't just go ahead and spam any links, and nobody's gonna like it. And if you need any help with the with your affiliate marketing business or any online business, just go ahead and check the link in the description. The free training is created by my mentor Sebastian Gomez. It has insane amount of value, and this course is absolutely free, and you'll be amazed with the kind of value you're going to get. It's absolutely free. Go ahead and check it out. And if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.